Hi guys, I have this lawnmower. It's Bosch ARM 3400, so it has an ARM processor. Kidding. One day decided to not work anymore, and this due to the rotor. I inserted some of this WD-40 on it, and it worked, I don't know, for another month, I think. Even now you may think it's working, but actually when it's pulled by the belt, something happens inside and it gets stuck. I would have thrown it away. I like to give second chance to things, so I got some goodies from Bosch. Where is that? I bought also some other things. For example, I got this broken, you see, and I found a replacement. And something very interesting for another ongoing repair. This is the trigger for this Bosch. Check in my channel, I will show you how to replace it in another video. I will put this aside. This is the one, and I got also some bearing. It is replacement for the one here, for there, you see, but this one is still working. I will not replace it. I still need this, and let's get into it. Let's replace this first. So we'll have to put with this part inside, right? Okay, this is the new engine, the new motor, rotor. It is a bit different because there were two choices on the Bosch website. It was this one and the new one. Why not? Who knows, maybe it is better. And it looks different. If it's any good or not in time, we'll see. This one, I don't know, lasted a couple of years, 2 or 3 years. So these are small, I don't know how they are called, but they have metal inside. So you just put the cables, the wires inside, and press it very hard, like this. For example, I take these two that I have to connect together. I just put them like this and this thing on top of it, and I'm pressing hard, and they will stay there, and they will be connected also. So it's very easy to put them together. As I said at the beginning, this rotor is not exactly the same as this one. So due to that, I think the wiring is different. I do not have a connector on this end. This one I remove it from the old rotor because I need the long wire which needs to be added here. Yeah, so for that I will just add this connector, which works in the same way. Put the wire inside and press it, and that's it. It stays there. Okay, so with that I have also a connector which I will add here. Perfect. The wiring is done. All I have to do is to put it in place here, and I have these two thingies. The wires are in place. All I have to do is to put this one back and see how it goes. Sanity check. Perfect. Let's see if it cuts grass. Like new.